Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
Hello world, I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is your Geek Out for today. I wanted to talk to you a bit about the big difference between Windows RT and Windows 8. And that boils down to one phrase: backwards compatibility. So yesterday, when I purchased the Surface with Windows RT computer with my own money on Microsoft's website, minutes before it launched to the world, I don't know how I got in there, but some people were concerned. They said, why did you get Windows RT instead of holding out for a Windows 8 Pro computer? Why, Chris? I thought you were a power user. Well, I am. But here's the thing that I do not need: backwards compatibility. So Windows RT was designed for a completely different processor architecture than Windows 8. Now, I realize it's a bit confusing for most people, but if you're going to be buying a new computer that was optimized for a mobile experience, you may very well be buying a Windows RT computer, which will be fine if you do not need to run legacy desktop programs. You know, all those programs you've been running on Windows for years, they will not work with a Windows RT computer. I'm fine with that. If only because I want and I know this is really weird to say, a pure Microsoft Windows touchscreen PC experience. This is the reason I went with a Microsoft Surface tablet up front. I'm very interested in seeing what other OEMs come up with, because that's the beauty of Windows. They license it, you get completely different choices of hardware in the marketplace. Windows RT, optimized for mobile, no true legacy desktop application support. Really, the only time you see it may be with an installation of Internet Explorer, because you can see it from within the desktop UI as well as within the modern UI. You also get some Office apps bundled with Windows RT. Not as interesting to me, maybe interesting to you. Those are also in the classic desktop UI on the Windows RT machine. If you're looking for an iPad-like experience with Windows RT is probably going to be able to deliver that for you, and that's a good thing. If you are looking to support all your legacy desktop applications and you want the best of all worlds, Windows 8 or Windows 8 Pro is going to be your choice. Now, in terms of Windows 8 versus Windows 8 Pro, there are definitely some differences as well. For instance, if you're interested in encryption, booting from a virtual hard disk, connecting to a domain, and a few other very power user-centric, network-centric features, Windows 8 Pro is going to be the choice for you. If you're looking to run Windows on classic architectures, Windows 8 or Windows 8 Pro. But if you're eschewing the past, if you want to reboot Windows in your mind, what it is to you, I'm telling you, a Windows RT computer should make you happy. You know, I'm very well aware of the benefits and shortcomings of many platforms, and I do believe, and I've said this before, I'm not changing my tune, Windows 8, specifically the modern UI, was optimized for a touch experience. Windows RT throws away the stuff that I don't want, the legacy desktop applications. So even though you may see the lack of backwards compatibility as a shortcoming with Windows RT, I see that as a huge benefit